guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are doing a Hot Topic Funko haul. I'm back to my Funko mania. I actually bought a characters full collection. Yeah. So if you guys want to see what I got in this Funko filled video, keep on watching. But first, let's go into the intro. Alright guys, so you guys may be wondering why I have these dangling. Well, this is the shirt that I got in the Nick box, and this is Crumb. You can see my little armpits here. These eyes over here are gonna be bothering me because I'm gonna be like this, and you'll probably see me doing this a lot during this video, but it's okay. We are going to move on into this video, so let's jump right in. Let's see. All right, so first thing off the bat that I noticed is that Hot Topic, before when I would order their Funkos, they would just throw them in a box and call it a day. Sometimes it would come bent, dented, broken, like the box would be broken, but the actual product itself was fine because it was a nice box. But if you're a collector like I am, you need the box to be in tip-top shape, you know? First thing that I noticed was they put it in this white box, and outside of it, it shows you what Funko is in here. Now the reveal, since I haven't said what's in here. So the Funko collection that I got, it's the Doug collection. I was so excited when they announced that these were coming out because I was like, yes, I love it. It's Doug funny. I also got the other one, so let's keep opening these up because all of these are packaged in that white box. So let's put Doug right here and keep on opening the rest. Pork chop! Look at him here. On to the next one. The girl of the hour, Patty Mayonnaise. I always loved her in the cartoon. I do have little tiff with this Funko is that when Disney bought Doug, they changed her hair. So obviously this is a Disney Funko. They're gonna make her how she looked like in the Disney Doug, which was her hair was all like that. She had, you could say it was like a spiky starfish type hairdo, like how she had it here, right here. That's how she originally looked, but now Disney has her like this. That is the only thing that I was upset about when they released these, because I knew it was going to come out the Disney version of Patty Mayonnaise. But other than that, they're so pretty. They are amazing. I went ahead and got the Hot Topic exclusive Quail Man. Quail Man, come on guys. How could I just not get the Hot Topic exclusives of the well? But I didn't just get Quail Man, I got Quail Dog as well. So there they are. You see them? You see them? There they are, right there. So there you have it guys. This is my Doug collection that I have completed, and I am just excited to have them with me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more Funko unboxing videos, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it on all your social media platforms because you know you want everybody else to see this face. And until next time, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.